Today we are changing lens. Somebody broke the lens, so we're gonna replace this BMW 1 Series 2018. And I already actually took this apart, but I thought I will make a video because I struggle a lot, and I thought maybe few idea I can, tell other people to make life easier for them. So to start with, first I tried with the blowtorch, and it's a bit too strong, very powerful. So when I was trying to do from distance, it's not doing the job. It's not making this glue melt. And then I tried this one, because if I use this one, it was damaging the plastic. You can see over here, a little bit damage here and there. But this one works better. Uh, and I tried with this one. So it wasn't coming out because of it. This is original headlight, and it was so stubborn. I tried everything and wasn't coming out, and sort of giving up. But then I just concentrate on this area first and put couple of 2-3 screwdriver in this area. Like you can see here, I made this, and once the one screw gone in with this heat gun, after warming it up, then I put one screwdriver in and got some help from to put heat in this area, keep doing this area, and then I with the next screwdriver, and that way it came out easily. It took some time, but you have to be patient with it. If you think it's quick job, it's not quick job. It's take time and patience. So after all the heat, there's some, you can see when pulling with the screwdriver, these are the edges gone bit out, which I will be able to fix with a little heat, make them straight. But then this wasn't coming out. If you can get, there's a tool scraper for especially for the headlight. They are same size, about this size, so you can easier taking out with that. But I didn't have that, so I used a screwdriver. So I find it easy to make one place, open it from one place, and then keep going from there, and just pressing like this, and maybe give little bit, use heat gun in this area little bit, and then keep doing this, and that's how it came easily. But I struggled before when I was doing different way. But once I start keep this all long one piece and try to do this just with sharp screwdriver, then it was coming out easily. Okay. So after just a little warm up with the heat gun, then you just try to push this sharp screwdriver or something like that, and it will comes out. So just push your screwdriver or anything like sharp like this. Try to little bit each time, and then you will be able to do it quite quickly. Just need to be a little patient and hold this like this and keep going. Also cover this lens, or maybe take light, I mean chrome light out, or cover it so you don't make them scratch them or something like that. So heat them up again. After doing little bit by bit, then do little bit more heat from both sides, from the top and from the bottom. So then it's from this side get a little warmer and come out easily. So now it's all clean. It's all cleaned up, ready for this glue. Costs about £7. So just you can stretch. If it's too thick, you can stretch, or you can just use as it is. In this case, I think its thickness is just right, because the track is like this. So this all goes in, and the lens is here, and I'm using all the old reflector. So I took out of the old lens all the reflectors from the old lens, and they're back in the new lens. So we're gonna glue it and then put this back in. It's all done, looking good. All the edges matched. Only maybe we could not find the replacement, this reflector, so we have some patches, spots. Otherwise it's all good.